what I wanted to spend some time talking about today, linking in with the theme of this lecture series, is the approach that we have taken in NASA Aeronautics, addressing our strategy for transformation of the aeronautics enterprise. The lexicon alone, in terms of being able to define the concept space and the way in which we need to drive the technology, is, to me, surprisingly, the biggest challenge that we've had to address. Part of the other problem is that it is a field that is evolving so quickly. What does machine intelligence really mean? Where is it? What is the state of the art right now? And how fast can we expect it to go is challenging the kinds of concepts we're looking to develop an implementation path around, because we don't know where the fundamental intelligence is going to be as we continue to develop that. 3 megadrivers emerge. First, traditional measures of global demand for mobility are growing rapidly. Again, in location and in terms of the type of mobility that's going to be required for a changing population. We need to be sustainable. Severe energy and climate issues create not just sustainability, but affordability challenges that we need to address in terms of these environmental challenges. Plus, the final driver, revolutions in automation and information communication technologies are also already enabling opportunity for safety-critical autonomous systems. You can't pick up a newspaper or pop open your browser any day without seeing a handful of articles on the concerns relative to small UAS. You will find some from notable people in the field, the Googles and the Amazons, that speak to the trillion-dollar industry that this opens up, or the safety and security, the search and rescue, and agricultural applications that provide benefit. The fact that we have an environment right now that does not allow any of these operations to be done for some good and smart reasons. Safety needs to be validated, but it also doesn't open up that benefit space. We need, I believe, to explore that, but we need to do it right and smartly. You've got folks that are thinking, beyond their current mission in order to try to address, larger technology and transportation challenges. What we need to do from an aviation side, I think, is to really connect in with that broader community. And that community is not just the Googles and the Teslas and the Apples and the Amazons. It's part of the ground automation capabilities that are being driven by our more traditional automobile industry. And being able to look to them for standards. They're developing standards for autonomous operations right now. How do we take advantage of that to leverage what they're learning in some very similar environments for localization, for hazard avoidance and all? Yes, it's not 3D, it's only 2D, so there's a challenge they don't have to worry about. But there's still so much in terms of that standard that we need to be aware of, such that we're not either reinventing the wheel or we're inventing something that is so uniquely applicable to aviation that didn't take advantage of some similar lessons learned from the ground transportation side.